going to check out this Treasure Quest Golf. It is a blacklight golf. So I guess things glow. Let's check it out and see.
This guy obviously didn't make a hole in one, so. And here we go. Very close. Very close.
Oh, oh, oh. That was even closer than me.
Very good.
There we go.
Let's try this. Oh, bounced me. You bumped me.
Oop.
Yay!
Good job.
It's kind of cool looking back in here. It's definitely nice to be able to eat.
Ooh, so close. Good job. Good job.
They look pretty happy with their haul that they got. Their haul.
Looks like Mason job then.
Uh-huh. They like moonshine. There it goes down the hole. Came out. Right there.
All right, folks. There's the end of the 2021 mini golf championship. Mike is getting himself ready. He got a stance. There it goes. Oh, he didn't quite make it. Oh my goodness. Let's see if he can do it a second time around. Here we go. There it goes. He still didn't quite get it. Let's see if the third time's the charm. There it goes. Oh, almost didn't. It almost popped out. Let's see. All right. And here he goes. Michael Scott trying to finish this strong. And he didn't quite make it. Let's see if he can do this final stroke. Good job, Mike.